Oh my god, we're gonna get fucking paid right now. I think I just have to hold. Oh, this is the one that rugged us, bro. Oh, I think it's working tech. Oh, I think it's actually working tech. There's no way this isn't rip. There's no way this isn't rip. They have fucking Gork launching. There's no way this one doesn't rip. I'm holding everything. I don't think they know it's working tech yet, though. I know I keep repeating that, but I just don't think people know it's actually working. All right, you're the chosen one.